guys, this is Bo from High Tech Investment and welcome to my channel. I'm here to show you how you can claim your freedom back and start enjoying life by investing today so you can start living the life tomorrow. On High Tech Investments, we are going to review and discuss possible investments for the everyday people that are interested in getting into the many new investment opportunities that are out there at the moment. We'll review a wide range of different investment opportunities with multiple different risk factors and returns, all of which we have already invested in. This will give you the chance to review these investment opportunities before you have to put your own money at risk. We'll discuss and review investments such as, but not limited to, peer-to-peer lending platforms, trading investment funds, stock markets, crypto trading, EA trading, masternode, and blockchain. I understand that you may not be familiar with all these different types of investments or even heard of some of these phrases we use here, but stay tuned on this channel and you will learn what this could mean for you. So before we get started, I'll just want to show you our investment disclaimer and investment risk. So the data on this website is for your information only. It does not constitute professional investment advice or advice on tax or legal matters. Please remember that all investment strategies and investment involve risk of loss. Nothing contained in this video should be construed as investment advice. Any reference to an investment's past or potential performance is not and should not be construed as a recommendation or as a guarantee of any specific outcome or profit in the future.